Okay, so I have plucked as much as I can. Honestly, I hate plucking, so I'm just gonna move on to the next thing. I'm gonna clip this. So the only glue I will be using is the spray gel and the Ghost Bond. I'm only using the Ghost Bond for the edges, and also I'm not using it up here as well because I noticed that I get pimples or acne when I use this, like over here. I'm still trying to find a glue that doesn't give me acne when I use it on my scalp. So I'm just gonna be using it over here to make sure this area is glued down. And I'm gonna spray. I'm gonna do a second layer. And now I'm just going to, right now I'm just trying to place the lace correctly and use my comb to, you know, push it down. So right now I'm gonna go with my Ghost Bond to glue the edge down. Okay. Okay. Same thing over here. I feel like I put too much glue on the other side, but we will make it work. Ow. Because again, I am not a professional. Okay, so I'm gonna try to style it. I'm gonna go with my moves now. Right now what I'm doing is trying to define the curls on the hair and style it. I don't know how I want to style it, but I'm gonna do this and see how it looks. Then I don't know if I'm gonna cut anything yet. Okay, so I have cut and this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna wipe off this excess glue that we can see. So to wipe off the excess glue, I'm just using my some alcohol, which is my nail polish remover, and a paper towel. And I'll just, you know, rub that right there. So I noticed that this part is kind of pushed backwards a little bit, and I'm gonna try to push it forward. Installing wigs stress me out. Like, I'm just the whole time I'll be like, can you just act right? Like, can you just do what I'm asking you to do? Like, look at that, look at that. Why is it lifting? So I'm trying to figure out how to style this. I have no idea. Trim it over here. I want it short, but I don't want it really short. And I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Let me actually do something. Really, I meant done something. So I know that I want this like back there. That. Do the same thing. I'm sorry, y'all. I feel like I am like all over the place, but that's because I'm also like trying to figure out what's going on with this hair right now. Cause like I said, like I haven't done anything like this before, so bear with me. But I'm gonna go with my wax stick. So this goes flat because it's kind of bumpy up there, and I don't like that. So Okay, I'm gonna attempt some edges. I'm very scared. I'm very scared about this, but and I'm gonna cut.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the
Don't want to cut too low. I think I have done everything humanly possible to make this look a little bit presentable, and yeah, I just, do I want to cut it more? This is what it's looking like on the side.